Cut the throttle, yeah.
It needs some down trim, I think, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. Let me get my bearings before we do anything.
It's just what's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. You need some serious down.
Okay, don't move it. Come on.
Right.
Is it
Don't
better?
rush the climb. Let it go.
You're gonna lose.
So what you want to do is to down trim some more down trim, Bill?
Bring it around here.
That's not even on.
We know it's fine.
Okay.
It's doing a lot better.
Okay. Let's fly her then. She's still climbing.
Still
like
climbing?
crazy. Oh, look at it. I didn't even do anything. If you turn the motor on, she goes to the moon. To the moon with you, Alice.
Jeez, come back.
She's flying like crazy, Daddy.
You haven't cut the tire clear off.
Yeah.
If you hit the tire, is it flying?
Not too bad.
Okay.
That's not bad, is it?
No.
Now if you do it, go straight up. Did you give it, what did you do to it?
I put give it more down.
Oh, did you really?
Yeah.
Let me
Hey.
get her down where we can actually see it.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Jeff, bring it by with no power.
Okay.
Don't keep doing that.
No
Is-
power. She's on the glide.
Okay.
Power up.
Use the power into it. See what happens.
Straight up. Just there. Look, it's not even. It's only like 40%.
Okay. Glide it in. So, let's move the battery forward. It's got to be tailheaded.
A wee bit.
You want me to bring it in?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. I'm going to go back out, back, and then come. Because it's in our face, right?
Yeah. You want to come this way.
Kind of at an angle.
Yeah.
That's got to be. There you go.
She's just going to glide in anyhow.